Okay. So this will be a review about me and my wife's stay at Avid Hotel. Just give you a little quick rundown how everything looks. This is the bathroom. Don't mind the mess. Bathroom. Nice little vanity sink. Mirror. Get your hand soap. They don't have bar soap. Got iron board. You got body wash and conditioner and shampoo. Walk over here. And have another vanity mirror. Pretty nice. Some hooks to hang your things on. Little workstation right there. Little bench. Nice queen size bed. Got your phone over there and 2 night lamps. And that's pretty much it. Oh no, the best part about this room to me is this right here. We have quality Samsung TV. I believe this is about a 55-incher. This is huge, and so we like that. The property is clean for the most part. There are a couple things I'm not gonna nitpick about, like the floor. You got it's a newer hotel, but you see there's some wear and tear. I don't expect things to be perfect, but there is some wear and tear. There's a couple some stains on the walls and things of that nature. And I bring that up because they charged us $250 for this room, and I don't think that I would personally be coming back for that price. I think it's worth maybe 150 bucks. It's a nice hotel for that price, but 250 is kind of steep. My wife and I were talking. We found a Red Roof Inn Plus for like 90 bucks, and the place is immaculate. So the hallways is nice and clean. Downstairs they have breakfast, but this is just a little quick room tour. I'm not gonna do an entire property tour, and maybe I can look down the hallway for you. Let's see how the hallway looks real quick.